y'all, Cooking Cutting Up, Keeping It Real, back from vacay. I just wanted to show this real quick. I came home to find 2 bananas that had not been eaten, and they're too old. There's not enough to make banana bread. Sometimes I stick them in a freezer bag to make smoothies, but I saw this somewhere. Now, what I'm doing, and you can see Sophie standing there, she knows what I'm doing. I'm making dog treats with them. And I've done this with cantaloupe, and I saw it done with watermelon. But anyway, I'm going to take those 2 bananas and add, I don't know, 1/3 cup or so of coconut water and a tablespoon of peanut butter. And I'm going to blend that up in the blender, and I'm going to put mine in an ice tray and freeze it, and it's a great snack for your dog, especially since it's hot outside. So there you have it. Homemade, leftover banana, peanut butter, dog treats. Hope y'all are going to have a great week.